بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, today we are going to learn about these three letters. We have lam, alif, hamza, and ya. Lam, alif, hamza, and ya. Now let's jump into it. So therefore we have lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, hamza, ya, ya. This one I'm not going to mention it, I'm going to wait for you. Now yeah, this is alif. Then we have lam, alif. I hope you remember this one. Yes, it is ba. Then we have hamza, ta, hamza. Then we have ya, ya. Then we have fa, fa, hamza, hamza, ra, lam, alif, ha, hamza, waw, ya, qa, hamza, lam, alif, ya, mim, lam, alif, nun, hamza, waw, ya, ha, lam, kaf, صاد, ضاد, noon. Then we have ain. You can see ain, the way it changes its shape or its pattern. Then we have ghain and ghain, the same, the difference are the dots. Then we have fa and ain. Look, when we join fa and ain, how they look like. We have ghain, qaf and ghain, qaf and ghain. Then we have ya, and we have lam, alif, hamza, jim, fa, waw, ra, za, dal, dhal. And if I may take a minute to talk about these 5, but they're supposed to be 6. Look, waw and waw can never join. You can never join waw and waw together, like ain and ghain and fa and qaf and all the other letters. You can join them together, but these letters, waw and waw, ra and ra, za and za, dal and dal, dhal and dhal, and alif, they can never join together. Like, for example, look at ain and ain. You can join 2 ain together, 2 ghains together, fa and ain, qaf and ghain, or the rest of the letters, they can join together. But these 6, waw, ra, za, dal, dhal, and alif, those ones can never join together. Inshallah, let's go through it one more time. We have lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, ya. Lam, alif, hamza, ya, alif, lam, alif, ba, hamza, ta, hamza, ya, fa, hamza, ra, lam, alif, hamza, ha, hamza, waw, ya, ta, hamza, lam, alif, ya, ميم لام ألف نون همزة واو يا ها لام كاف صاد بود نون عين غين فا عين قاف غين يا لم ألف همزة جيم ثاء واو را زا دال ذال إن شاء الله. مع السلامة. See you in the next lesson.